Angela Diffley, our foreign editor, is with me. She's been looking into this story. And Angela, I think sometimes in news we sort of overuse the word historic, particularly when it comes to Donald Trump. But really, this is an unprecedented day, isn't it?
Absolutely. This is the first time a former US president has faced criminal charges. If he is convicted, this would be the first time a convicted offender stands for a major party in the United States. It is conceivable that if he is convicted, he could face a 4-year prison term. That's the maximum. It is apparently unlikely because he would be considered a first-time offender on this. But it's conceivable that he could go to prison. And there we're in completely uncharted territory. But apparently that is not an obstacle to being president of the United States. What's very interesting about this case as well is because it's a state trial and not a federal trial, Trump cannot pardon himself. And that is crucial because in some of the other cases, the scenario has been put forward that even if he's convicted, he will become president if he is elected and then pardon himself and life goes on. That is not possible under state law.
And just tell us a bit then about what may happen today. I understand, for one thing, the jury will be, the beginning of the jury selection will get underway.
Yeah, that could take up to 2 weeks. So they're selecting jurors today. They will have to pick 12 and 6 standby jurors out of around 500 potential jurors who've been randomly selected. And in order to do that, they will ask them key questions. Obviously, they're not allowed to ask them how they vote, if they vote for Trump or Biden and who they voted for in the past. But they are allowed to find out information which might be useful. They will ask them what news outlets, where they get their news from, what television programs, what newspapers they read, what Twitter feeds they follow, X feeds they follow, whether or not they have read books by Trump and his former lawyer, Michael Cohen, who is key to this trial. That sort of information. Interesting to note that they will not have complete anonymity in the state of New York. Trump will know their identities. He won't know their addresses, although apparently his lawyers will. The public won't know the identities of these jurors. And when it comes to the verdict that they reach, these jurors must reach a unanimous verdict. So Trump's team will try to target one juror. They need one juror to disagree, and Trump will be off the hook.
All right, fascinating case. We'll keep a close eye on it, and we'll keep a close eye on what's happening in court. We'll bring you some images from that when we have it. For now, Angela Diffley, thank you.